broke the curse.
Yeah, straight up.
Holy shit, hooking good too. Put that away, eh?
Casting, are you?
Yeah. Let's see if there's anything in there.
Boys, put your nose into the wind, D, so it's a bit more comfortable.
Yeah. Oh, look at them. They're there.
Nice dog.
I don't know. Oh. Oh, this is a bigger one. Oh, there's so much. Oh, that's a big one down there. Yeah. You wanna go upwind? Upwind?
That's a keeper, isn't it, that one?
I'm not sure. We go upwind, and then I reckon we drop a lumpy down there.
Yep.
Oh, we just spat out some fish.
Oh, okay. Yep. Oh, they're 65 or 60s?
60.
Yeah.
Oh, that's way over, isn't it?
He's a nice sort of, he's a little bit fatter, that one. Like,
That's alright, alright.
just legal, maybe. It's just legal.
Same as I had before. You took off your weights?
Have I got weight?
Yeah.
No, I'm just weight.
There it is, there it is.
Oh, you got weight? Oh, yeah.
Oh. Dolly! Molly up the dolly. Come.
A couple of bites out of it.
This one fully committed to it. It's a bit small, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll get a fatter one. I'm sure this is. Oh! Shall not put too much pressure. 600-gram jigs. Here we go. Holy moly! My God!
Gone? Get the bottom yet?
No, I have to let it hit. See my
Dig it.
flags. Ping it.
You dig it?
Put me in 10 seconds. Oh my God! Look at this. It's going. Look, it's going. Oh my God! Oh, down the bottom. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. This is just fucking ridiculous. Ridiculousness. What's the name again? Triglin? Wow. Beautiful fish. $600 jig. Oh yeah, look at this though, there's a speckle down there. Maybe just then. You catch like a bigger one. Oh, I'm actually hook up. That's funny, yes. Yeah, that's why if you catch a bigger one, you I don't know, whatever. If you look in your esky, if you don't like the smaller one or whatever, just let the other one go. Wow. I reckon this is a big jammy, Grant.
Real sizey or hard to tell between the weight of that?
Oh, I feel pretty solid.
Is that it there already?
Nope, that's your fish. The way you let go.
Look at that. Is that your fish or was it a squid?
I thought it was my fish for a second too. I was like, no, I'm still all the way down there. So it worked.
Imagine if it was a little perch.
Oh, that is a big boy.
Is it Jimmy or a barracuda?
That's a barracuda. What's the fin? There's no fin. Oh yeah. Do you ever think about that, eh? They're gonna get destroyed. Coming, it's slowly coming over. Oh, what the hell?
Oh man. Well, buddy.
That is,
Good fish, dude.
that's something else.
Not too much on it.
Not sure. If it's snapper, that's big, man.
Snapper get big.
You reckon? Woo. Get it. Oh, no. I need I can't tell. Oh, he took a mad run, eh?
Yeah.
What's the colour? Probably a netter. Oh, look like a snapper to me. Oh my god. No bait, by the way.
Yeah, no bait.
No bait. Wow. That is a photo, that one. Woo. They'll fall over.
Yeah,
You don't want that. Don't take the hook off yet. I want the teeth in the mouth. Oh, that was hectic.